The total spin measurement is displayed in rotations per minute and is taken immediately after launch as that ball passes through the launch window. The cameras give the information to the software, which uses the process of spherical correlation, which can actually lock onto individual dimples to measure how fast that golf ball is spinning. Now, while spin decays over the entire flight of the ball, the spin at launch is very indicative of how the ball will fly, land, and roll. After we watch this animation, we're going to go through and talk to you about the key influencers on spin rate and some simple tricks that you can apply to either increase or decrease the total spin of your golf ball to get that optimum ball flight you're looking for. So what are the key factors that are involved in actually putting spin on the golf ball? Well, the first one is club head speed. And simply put, if we have the exact same club delivery and the exact same impact point on two swings, the higher the club head speed, the higher the spin rate. Other key influencers are the difference between angle of attack and lofted impact. And the greater that opens up, the more spin is going to be on the golf ball. The third thing we need to be aware of when it comes to spin generation is our vertical impact point. If we strike the ball on the club face in a place that is below the center of gravity, that vertical gear effect is going to increase the spin. Conversely, if we strike it higher on the face, above the center of gravity, that golf ball is going to have less spin on it. Now that we understand how total spin is measured and when that measurement is taken, let's talk about the role that it plays on ball flight. Now, the primary function of spin is of lift. The more spin we have, the more lift the ball will have, the more it will climb over the course of its flight. But remember that spin is in a state of constant decay. Depending on the type of golf ball you play, it will decay between 4 and 7% per second of ball flight. So as it's decaying, it's going to reach its apex height, it's going to stall, and it's going to start to fall. And the angle at which it falls at is actually the primary influence for having the golf ball stop on the green. Now that we understand the factors of club head speed, angle of attack, impact loft, and impact point, we can more accurately deduce what we need to manipulate in order to create optimum spin rate on our golf ball, to either steepen our landing angle on approach shots, or to flatten our landing angle to maximize roll on our drivers. Now that you understand the key factors that contribute to the spin rate on the golf ball and the role that spin rate plays on a ball flight, you'll be able to start to apply this information to hit more consistent shots that leave you closer to your target immediately.